Paano po kino-compute ang step increment? Well, friends, ito yung tanong ni ma'am or sir sa ating Q&A with Proof AMN. It's about salary increase due to step increment. Paano ba daw i-compute? Interesting question po from our viewer. Sige po, let's answer this question in a direct, concise, and with example. Let's get started. Backgrounder muna, no? So, siguro napanood na ni ma'am or sir ang YouTube video ko last year. Ito po, yung salary increase due to step increment. So, may step increments tayo sa sweldo ng mga government employees from step 1 to step 8. Ayan po. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapanood, please watch this video. Nasa channel po natin. Sige po, ang answer sa question, ma'am, is actually nandito po. Yan po sa itaas. Yan po ang answer sa tanong ninyo. Paano ba gina-compute ang step increments? Actually, ma'am and sir, hindi po natin yan kino-compute. Table po yan. Given po yan yung amount from step 1 to step 8. So, sino po ang gumawa ng computation? Yan po, Civil Service and Department of Budget and Management or CSC and DBM Joint Circular Number 1, Series of 2012, Rules and Regulation the grant of step increments due to meritorious performance and step increment due to length of service. It shall be granted to all qualified employees for every 3 years of continuous satisfactory service in the present position. This is what we call step increment due to length of service. Yes, ma'am and sir, every 3 years po tayo may step increment sa sweldo natin. Specifically, if meron tayong satisfactory performance or service in our present position. So, dapat yung HR nyo sa office niyo is mindful of this. Kasi civil service po ito na guidelines and DPM. So, hindi po yan gina-compute, ma'am and sir. Meron tayong table. So, as you can see, sa left side or left part ng table, meron dyan nakalagay salary grade. So, yan ang basis. Kung anong salary grade kayo, kung ano na yung step ninyo, yan po ang sweldo po ninyo. Halimbawa, kung step 16 kayo, step 1 kayo before, so 39,672. After 3 years, step 2 na tayo, 40,088. And another 3 years na naman, kung hindi tayo ma-promote, magka-increase pa tayo sa sweldo due to step increment. So step 3 na tayo, 40,509 if salary grade 16 tayo. So another 3 years na naman, kung hindi tayo naka-promote, 40,935 and so on and so forth. So step 1 yan up to step 8. So what will happen kung step 8 ka na? So wala nang increase sa sweldo. Kasi up to step 8 lang po tayo sa step increment. By the way, friends, meron tayong another example. Meron tayong nakita no sa website ng Civil Service Commission. Meron ding nagtanong regarding step increment. Ano ba daw ang basis ng step increment and paano i-compute? Ayan po, may sagot po yung action officer ng Civil Service Commission. Same lang po sa sagot natin. So, ang basis po sa step increment ng sweldo is yung Joint Circular Number 1 Series of 2012 ng Civil Service Commission and Department of Budget and Management or DBM. Alright? So, hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, ma'am or sir. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.